Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create rotate CD animation for our CD album video edit on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my design on my Canva application. And first thing first, I'm going to add a CD template to this design. We can go to the design and I'm just going to search for CD template. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this one guys. I'm going to add this template to my design, and here we can change the photo with our own photo. I'm going to click on it and then I'm going to click on replace. I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose this folder. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and now the photo has been replaced, and I'm going to rotate this CD. I'm just going to go to the animate option right here and go to the motion effect category and just select the rotate. Okay, and we can customize the speed if we are pro users. I'm going to increase the speed, and then you can also customize the color. It's up to you. You can replace the background color with your favorite color. You can go to color, and then I'm just going to select maybe this one. Okay, and now as you can see that the color has been changed, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create rotate a CD animation for our CD album video edit on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.